Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase ShopEngine Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So first open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the direct product page here. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update. We do not sell cracked and null in the name of original. So you will receive a lifetime or yearly auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update. So just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we will talk about ShopEngine Pro. So just type shop and here you can see ShopEngine Pro and here's the pricing in INR, and if you outside of India you can select USD. So that you can see 20 USD dollar for this plugin. This plugin is valid for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive auto update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, your first name, last name, your WhatsApp number with country code and your email. Okay, and now select your payment method. So if you outside of India you can select PayPal by default, and if you outside and if you from India you can select cash free and phone pay, and before that you have to switch currency in INR. Okay, then you will see cash free and phone pay payment gateways. Okay, so if you outside of India you can choose PayPal and just click on I agree to the website terms and condition and confirm your payment. So let me show you, just change INR currency and you will see Indian payment gateway. Okay, so here you can see Indian payment gateways. So let me just open it. So here you can see cash free and phone pay merchant solution for the Indian users. Okay, so complete your payment. After the payment confirmation you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see our download button. So just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support. So share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much guys for watching this video.